Hey folks, welcome in the world's smallest design studio and paint shop. My name's Martin, that's E2E, and that's Xtool's new CO2 laser cutter and laser engraver, the P2. Xtool has a summer sale, so I took my chance to own one of these machines. And if you want to own it yourself, check out the link in the video description. And yeah, Xtool challenged me to do something creative with the P2, and I had something in mind for a long time. What I wanted to do is something with acrylic, and that's perfect because the CO2 laser is the best for cutting acrylic, clear acrylic, also colored acrylic. And as you might know, what I'm doing today is a lamp fixture, lampshade. Let's do it. But yeah, I'm a designer. What I'm doing first, I'm grabbing a pencil and a piece of paper to bring my ideas to life. Let's go. Yeah, that's my idea of the lamp I like to create, but now it needs to be reality, so I have to draw this in the CAD software to create some data, and then I can use the laser. Yeah, and what I have here are 3 piles of test pieces. It took me several tries until I found the perfect curve for my project and for the cut. But what does curve mean? Let's make it easy and let's say the curve is the width of the laser beam. Check this out. Here is a single cut on top of this piece, and there's a distance between the left and the right side of the piece, and that's exactly the width of the laser beam, and I have to add it to my measurements. And to find out the perfect measurements for a press fit, I have to do several tries. Check this out. That's what I like to achieve, a press fit of all these parts. That's what I need. And the first try was not so successful because the curve was not perfect. And what happens is when I add these pieces, they are too loose and they will fall off. Check these out. These were some of my test cuts in plywood. It's much cheaper than acrylic, so it's not so much final loss if you do test cuts. And I recommend to do test cuts. I could redefine the shape of the lampshade until I like it. I could do some adjustments of the circumference, some tests to find out what's the perfect thickness of the material, and to redefine my cut files. Now I'm pretty sure the cut files are perfect and I can do the first real cut in acrylic. So let's load some in the laser. Yeah, check this out. I cut all the acrylic parts of the lampshade with the Xtool P2, which was super easy. The P2 goes through acrylic like butter, but there are 2 scenarios possible. Either I wasted $40 in acrylic material because I'm too stupid to create correct data, or I have a perfect lampshade. Let's find it out. Oh. Ah! It's one day later because I had to calm down a bit. I tried to mount the lampshade and guess what? Everything went wrong. I broke some of these slats immediately and also some of the teeth of the discs which hold the lampshade. And the reason is the acrylic is super brittle and you can break these slats super easy, and that's exactly the reason for the failure. And what I did is another data set and a complete new set of the lampshade. And now wish me luck that everything goes as it should be and that I don't break the lampshade again, because the acrylic is super expensive. I had to buy another sheet at the hardware store, and that will be definitely my last try. And if this went wrong, I will never do a lampshade like this again. Yeah, and I have a success. The lampshade is mounted for the first time. I mounted also the big ring on the bottom, which holds all these slats in place. They have little hooks on the bottom and slip into this ring, so they hold by friction. But what I have to do is I have to glue these slats on top of the lampshade because they are too loose. There's no press fit, but it's much easier if they are loose because, as you have seen, press fit is a failure. So I bought some plastic glue. I will add the glue, wait 3 to 4 hours, and I have a perfect mounted lampshade. And I'm super happy how this light fixture turns out, but what we need is of course a light bulb and some wire. And the cool thing is it's super easy to mount because I made an exact copy of the lamp in the light fixture with all the mounting holes. So only thing I have to do is I have to put it in and I have to place some screws and I'm done. And that is the reason why I bought the X-Tool P2 CO2 laser engraver, because it's super easy to cut acrylic, which diode lasers can't do that easy. And it's not only possible to cut black acrylic, you can use of course also transparent sheets, absolutely no problem. And yeah, you can do lampshades if you want to go crazy like I did, or you can do whatever you like. And yeah, if you want to buy the P2 as well, I have a discount code underneath the video in the video description. Check it out and good luck with your own laser projects. I have a new lamp from my office. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.